Hey, good morning, guys. How y'all doing today? Man, oh man, is it a beautiful day out there? Just a little bit nipply for me, but it's still sun shining, birds barking, dogs are chirping. Everything is a beautiful day in sunny Florida today. Just a little cold, just a little cold. So, how are you guys doing today? Let's say some good mornings to all you fine folks. Oh, I'll scroll up to the top and let's start off. We're going to say hi to Joan. Good morning, Joan. Nine Pin Bowling. Good morning. Marianne. Good morning. David, how you doing? Marianne Fields, how you doing? How you doing, girly girl? Joan again, and Joan and Joan and Joan. Alan, how you doing? How you doing? Oh man, look at it. There's Brenda. DR's in the house. Nanny Clampett, how are you today? Good morning. Good morning. Susie. Sorry for the slowdown. Error on our part. Chat way. Right. Greg. Good morning, Greg. How you doing, my friend? How you doing? Torhild. There's Torhild all the way from Norway, guys. Wow. That's amazing. She's here every day. Every day. Just puts a smile on my face. Yeah, it does. There's Nanny again. Oh, who else we got? Who else? David Del Price. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Lisa, good morning. How you doing? Al Walker, good morning. Okay. Let's see. Scrolling. There's Crystal. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? All right. Let's go. Oh, Jeanette. Good morning, Jeanette. How you doing, girly girl? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Oh, scrolling. Big Dirt. Good morning, sir. Good morning. How you doing, my friend? Oh, Al Walker. I think I said Al Walker. All right. But good morning, Al. Good morning, Karen's Books. Karen's Books. Oh, Miss Brenda. How are you doing today? Bearded Man Steve. What's happening? Hello, everyone. This mic is hot, he says. We're going to try and keep it that way. Yes, we are. Now, I took a lot of advice from a lot of you guys in the chat yesterday about my computer. Okay. It's got a glass wall on the side of it. So I took it into the kitchen last night. I blowed out all the dust. I sucked out as much of it as I could. And then I just left the glass side piece off so it gets more air in there. So far, I haven't had any problems this morning, but I'm not going to guarantee anything. I have to wait till this weekend to take it in, when mama's off. So I'm going to have to make this do for a couple of days. So, yeah, I hope everything works all right today. I really do. All right, let's see who else. Oh, MQSSS. How you doing? I'm in for the good times. Welcome aboard. Okay, let's see who else we have in here. All right, Blue, good morning. How you doing? All righty. Wow, we got 104 fabulous souls already in here. We've only been going like 6 minutes. That's awesome, guys. Charlie, good morning. How are you? Now, I'm scrolling, guys. So if I miss somebody, I'm sorry. Just know that I'm thinking about you. Oh, we got Daisy Jane in the house. Good morning. Oh, Green Flamingo. What you got to say? Happy Thursday, Mr. Coop. Well, thank you so much, Green Flamingo. Happy Thursday to you, too. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
Oh, wow. Kelly, good morning. Oh, Jenny, how you doing, Jenny? Good morning to you, girly girl. All right, Kelly. There's Kelly. All right. Oh, Mama Coop's in the house. My sweetie. There she is. Right. Good morning, Nanny. Everybody's saying good morning. James, good morning. Christy, good morning. How you doing? Oh, yes. Lisa, good morning, Lisa. Good morning. Mary Ann, everybody's saying good morning. Sarasota's in the house. What's up, my brother? What's up? Good morning. Max in the house. Good morning. How you doing? All right. Everybody's rolling in. Rolling. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we got some fun stuff to talk about today, boys and girls. Everybody knows Paint Chips filed a motion, a bunch of nonsense the other day It was like 24 pages long. I just ran a summary on it with ChatGPT, so we're going to go over that today. And then, of course, we got the judge's order that came down yesterday. We're going to go over that too. And then we're going to go over a lot more stuff today too, as in hanging out with you guys in the chat and talking about whatever we want to talk about. How's that sound? I have nothing major planned for today, just a catch-up day. Robin, good morning. MrCoop P.O on heating pad. He's got back aching. Oh, I hope you feel better. I just don't like it when you guys feel bad. It's not a good thing. I hope you get to feeling a lot better really, really fast. I do. All right. Who else we got in here? I got to get caught up. Going a little slow today. Okay. Mama Coop is saying hi to everybody. Colleen, good morning. How you doing, girly girl? Oh, there's MS Coastloff. How you doing? Good morning, Coop. It's sad day for Michael. Was deleted after Lexing 9-year-old competing on Nick Ricada's post. Got me swatted. Oh, wow. You got swatted with a Facebook ban hammer. See how appeals go. Well, I hope it goes your way, my friend. I really do. Lane's wife, good morning. How you doing? All right. Michael, good morning. Da, 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 da. Oh, good morning, Shenemisis. How you doing, girly girl? Welcome. All right. We got the button right over here. Good morning, Shenemisis. All right. Who else we got in here? Rolling, rawhide. Miss Tammy, please hit that like button and share as you come in. Thank you, Miss Tammy. Thank you for minding everybody. Thank you. Oh, Kimberly, good morning. How you doing? Good morning, everyone, she says. All right. Terry, good morning, everyone. Good morning to you too, Terry. All right. Big Al. Howdy. And a good morning to you and everyone. Welcome, Big Al. How you doing, my friend? All right. Who else we got in here? Joey Fleetwood. Good morning, sir. Good morning. How you doing? All right. Colleen, Joan, DR, Susie. Who else we got in here? I'm almost caught up, guys. I'm almost there. Wow, we got 122 or 24 fabulous souls hanging out. Welcome. Please remember to hit that like button. I think the judge actually ruled that paint chips was stupid. Dirty says, yeah. I kind of got that. I haven't read the full motion yet. Matter of fact, I haven't read any of it. So we'll be going over that here in just a wee while. Big Al, weather turned cold here too. The heating pad sounds real good at arthritis. Okay, sucks on those cold days. You know, I had knee surgery back when I was very young, and it's never really hurt me or bothered me, but I can definitely tell when the changes of the temperature are outside. Like when it's raining, your tissues will swell just a little bit, and I can feel those pins kind of like a tickle underneath the skin, you know. So yeah. Anytime you have pain as we get older, you feel everything. Good morning, Badger John. How you doing? Oh, BBB, aka Bubbles, is under major investigation by the Connecticut Bar Association. Yeah, I heard about that, Big Al. We get something on that. We'll talk about that once we get some stuff on it. There was some stuff posted yesterday in Facebooks or last night or today. Anyway, they're just screenshots. So I'm trying to find the PDF file for it so we can pull it up and read it. Because the screenshots, if you try and blow them up, they just get so fuzzy you can't read them. So I'm trying to look for the PDF files on those. So if anybody has them, let me know. All right, who else we got in here? Screenshot this. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? All right. Do you know if you've never been to Facebook jail, you haven't been doing your job right, Big Al? I try. I don't mess around on Facebook hardly at all. Uh, I don't have any need for it anymore. YouTube keeps me busy enough. I say hi to my friends and stuff on there, but that's about it. What else we got? Lynn Blasick. Good morning, Lynn. How you doing? Things are slowly falling into place with the courts. Yeah, they are. They are. It's going to mellow out. I mean, there's a reason and rhyme and reason, whatever you want to say, to everything that's going on with all of this stuff. Folks just need to remember to kind of just be patient and let the courts do their thing. Let Jeremy and Randy do their thing. I'm sure at the end of all of this, Jeremy will see justice. I hope anyway. I hope. It's up to the courts and it's up to Randy and them to fight the good fight the best way they know how. Brenda, good morning. Good morning. Tammy's there. Yeah. Let's see who else we got in here. Oh, anybody else that I may have missed? Not yet. Not yet. I don't see anybody new. Oh, we got Susie rolling in hot with the $4.99. What you got to say? Congrats to Tammy. 2 weeks, no smoking. Oh, really? That's flipping awesome. That is awesome, Tammy. I quit smoking and went back to chewing, and I wish I could stop it. I really do. It's not hurting anybody else, but it can't be good for me because I went pro a long time ago when it comes to chewing. I swallow so I don't spit all the time. And so, yeah, I've constantly got the nicotine in my system. I can just imagine if I tried to stop, how bad it would be. It would probably just drive me absolutely insane. All right, we've got 147 fabulous souls hanging out to see what we got to talk about today. Oh, it's absolutely wonderful. So, guys and gals, if you don't mind, please hit that like button. Teach your screw tube to throw us out into the interwebs. If you got just a few minutes to spare, just grab the link and share it on all your social media sites. Help get the word out that we're out here having fun. Oh, Ray, good morning. Good morning. How you doing, sir? How you doing? Oh, did Simba come in? I didn't see her. I must have missed her. Simba, good morning. Good morning. How you doing? Oh, there she is. Simba says lurking. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I lurk all the time. I sure do. Scent Patty's in. Is that Scent Patty? Where did it go? Yeah. Let's see. Oh, I'm a little bit blind today, guys. Colleen. Oh, there. Oh, no, it's Patty. Good morning, Patty. Howdy, y'all. Howdy. Good morning. Welcome. Tony, good morning. It's a shame that the judge's boss had to kick him in the butt to get things fired up and moving. Right, Tony? Right? Exactly. I agree with you. I sure do. He should have done it a long time ago. I mean, this guy's been sitting here just doing nothing for so long. Instead of him doing his job in the beginning and getting his courtroom under control, Jeremy has to pay the price for it when he should have been doing his job from the get-go. I used to take up for this judge all the time. I argued against everybody that couldn't stand him. Okay, I'm not going to come down on the guy, but after watching all of this, he could have took control of the courts. He really could have. So it's really sad to see that Jeremy has to suffer for his inability to do his job. Now, at the end of the day, I don't know why he's doing the things that he's done. I don't know why he didn't take control of his court. Who knows? All I know is that people were brought in to do bad things in this court case, and they succeeded. All right, there's Michael. How you doing? Push White Smoke. Oh, wow. My husband quit smoking. Michelle, my husband quit smoking And drinking 7 years ago. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right. All right. Who else we got up in here? Sticky Widget. What's happening, brother? Good morning. Good morning. It's raining down. Hallelujah. Rogue Mama's in the house. What's up, girly girl? Glad to see you. Glad to see you. Now, I know she's a busy woman and she doesn't get around a whole lot, but it is a treat whenever she shows up in chat. And if you guys don't know who Trash Panda is on Facebook, you're missing out because she puts out some hilarious stuff. I mean, hilarious. The pictures she puts out with her little, what is it? Raccoon? Yeah, it is just absolutely. She put one out today. I think it was today or last night. Was it, Rogue Mama, with the afro? That was hilarious. I think everybody's turning their avatars with afros here lately. Matter of fact, she's got one on right here. That's the one she put on Facebook. That's absolutely hilarious. It is. It is. It is. Oh, I watch so you don't have to. Good morning to all you wonderful people, she says. Good morning to you. I got through reading your stuff you put up on Lisa's last stream last night. That was hilarious. It was absolutely hilarious. Ozzy Leah, good morning. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, and there's Miss Lisa come rolling in hot. Good morning, Sticky Widget, she says. Good morning. Good morning. D spills the tea. DR to most. Sent you DM. Okay, now back to work. Laugh out loud. Yeah, old D, she's getting some work done today. You guys, I've been saying it. Keep your eyes open. She's working on some hot stuff over there. She'll be coming out soon enough with it. Hi, all lurking while working. Well, you lurk away, Rogue. You lurk away. I'm glad you're here, my girl. I am. All right. All right. James, Sticky Widget. Everybody's saying good morning. It's fabulous. Fabulous day in the neighborhood. Yes, it is. Oh, Susie, come rolling in. Coop. So you have Rumble running for Mercedes? No, I don't. Rumble, when I started up today, I've got to take Rumble out and put Rumble back in on my restream. It would not let me run Rumble today. Okay. When I went to go live, it said I couldn't until I removed Rumble. So I removed Rumble. It will be back up again tomorrow. Mercedes, I am so sorry, sweetheart. I have an error screen on my window, so I have to add it. Maybe, well, let me see if I can. I don't know if I can add it right now or not. Let's go see. Nope, it says account access expired. Reconnect. So, well, I'm going to try and do it. Maybe it'll let me do it right now. I don't know. I've never tried this with me actually being live, so we will see. There that is. Okay. It might be live right now. Let me go over here and look. It might be. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, come here. Reconnect. It's a fabulous day in the neighborhood. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Where did Rumble go? There it is. All right. And we go there. And we go here. And we go here. Third. Oh, well, there it is. Is it going to work? Holy cow. Holy cow. Let's see if it pops up. Let me see. Did it pop up? Did it give us the little dancy guys? Oh, there it is. So, hey, Rumble's up and running, guys. Rumble is up and running. There you go. There you go. All right. All right. All right. Okay, hit this to go live. There we go. So there you go, Mercedes. I got your Rumble page open for you, girly girl. Sharon, good morning. Just do not hit the wrong button. I did hit it. I think it's working. I think it's working. Nadeline, how you doing? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. We all crashy. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, who do we have here? Rank, how you doing? Yes, you're live. All right. Yes. All right. Oh, well, you guys are over on Rumble. That's cool. Cool. Sweet. There's Mercedes. All right. Got two of you over there. All right. All right. All right. Is that Rickles over there? All right, Jim. I don't know. I don't know who that is. Everybody's got different names on the Rumble. Some people do. So yeah. Anyway, moving on. Moving on. Colleen says prayers for Randy and his family. Oh, is something wrong with Randy? Oh, that's right. He had his heart stuff going on. Did anything happen to him? Guys, you'll have to let me know in the chat. I know he said the other day that he was going in for some kind of checkup for his heart or something. I don't know exactly what it was. I missed it throughout that whole conversation we were all having. So let me know in the chat if you guys know what's going on with Randy. All I know is he had some kind of heart thing he had to go take care of. Is D Spills the Tea coming or dose reality? I don't know what you mean, Sharon. I'm on by myself today. It's just me. Dee's got work to do. She's having fun. I mean, she wants to come on. She's more than welcome. Just let me know. I'll send her the link. I kind of figured she wanted some catch up on some things, so I just decided I'd just do it by myself. Tea. Nothing like sweet tea. Oh, sorry for your loss, Randy. Okay, is Randy in here? Did I miss him? What's going on? Let me see. I must have missed it, guys. I can't see Randy unless it's just been up there so far. I missed it. All right, Tammy, prayers for Randy and family. Okay. So sorry, Randy. Dose reality. Josie, hi everyone. I'm running late today as just come back from hospital. It's like going back to 2020, everyone, with masks because of the outbreak. Oh, meningitis outbreak. Oh, wow. I didn't know such a thing. Good morning, Josie. I hate to hear you're going to the hospital, girly girl. I hope you get to feeling a whole lot better. All right. Sorry for your loss, Randy. So I take it Randy's nephew passed in a motorcycle. Oh, shit. I'm so sorry to hear that, Randy. Condolences, my friend. Condolences. Is he in the chat today? You guys let me know. Linda, good morning. Here listening, running behind for the gym. All right. Well, lurk away, my friend. Lurk away. Have fun. Lynn, I think the courts are getting sick of the paperwork and never thought this case was going to be such a mess. They are not used to this much drama in federal case and are getting pressure. Right? I agree with you. Lynn. You're right. I do believe you are right. All right, nephew motorcycle wreck. Okay. Well, could everybody keep Randy in your thoughts and prayers and his whole family? All right. Yes. Carol, good morning. It's going to be a wonderful day, she says. Good morning, Carol. How you doing, girly girl? Oh, yes, I agree, Coop. It is a good, honest host by himself. Well, thank you. I figured, I'd just come on here and hang out with you guys today, see what's going on, read a couple of these motions. Like I said, it's sunny outside. It's a beautiful day. I figured, what the heck. All right. Alrighty. So let's get on over here. I'm going to pull some stuff up. We're going to take a look at some of this stuff. All right, where is it? Right here. Now, guys, this is just a summary. I'm not going to go over the whole 24-page debacle that he posted. I was listening to Shizzy the other night, and I think Tug read it too, I do believe, but it was Shizzy the one that read it that I listened to the most over it. And according to Shizzy, it was just a bunch of garbage. So I'm not even going to bother messing with his motion. But this is the summary of what he was trying to file. All right, let me get my eyeballs adjusted here and we'll jump right into this thing. Yeah. What you guys think? Y'all ready for this? All right. Summary of motion for reconsideration document 177. This document is a request asking the court to reconsider its prior order on doc 175. Okay. Who filed it? Defendant Richard Luthman, representing himself pro se, and specifically challenging the court's authority over him, personal jurisdiction. Here we go with this. See, this is why I did not want to read his 24 page pile of garbage. Okay. He's arguing this crap again that the judges or the courts have no jurisdiction over him. It's ludicrous. Main argument: Luthman argues that the court's previous order improperly issued an injunction, a court order restricting behavior. he's talking about the email chain that he had going on with the courts. Okay, it was improper. You don't need to be talking to the judge. It did so without proper due process. Oh, due process protections. Key points raised: due process was violated. Dun dun dun. He's a good one to talk about violating courts. I mean, he files all this nonsense, all this crap, and he wants to say that the courts are the ones violating due process. Yeah, okay. The court imposed serious consequences, including potential contempt penalties. Well, yeah, it's improper what they were doing. It's totally improper, but allegedly did not provide proper notice, a fair opportunity to be heard. Well, yeah, from what I understand, I wasn't involved with that email chain, but from what I understand, it was very long and it was a lot of bickering back and forth, and a lot of people talking back and forth, stuff that I don't know why the judge had to be involved in it. A clear evidence-based injunction. He argues that once the court escalated the issue into something enforceable by contempt, full constitutional due process was required. Oh, okay. This guy is hilarious. 2, issues started as a minor rule violation. Oh, wow. The situation originally involved local rule compliance, like improper communication with the court. Getting a hold of the court is one thing. Creating chaos in an email chain is completely different. Oh, but the court allegedly escalated into a major sanctions injunction. This guy is absolutely insane, guys. He's insane. Oh, listen, what you guys, Papa Jim, good morning. How you doing, my friend? How you doing? Let's see what you guys. Oh, Megan would have one epic stream for her wall on BBB. Oh yeah, Matthew. I believe so. I believe so. Good morning, Matthew. How you doing? Oh, Matthew was last night's stream. Listening while cleaning, Colleen says. Good morning, Colleen. Good morning, girly girl. Oh, hey, Miss Susie. In Marie. And Marie. Good. Oh, Bridget. Good morning, girly girl. Good morning. Guys, once again, let's keep Randy and his family in our thoughts and prayers. All right. He's going through a situation over there, and he needs all the thoughts and goodwill sent his way that he can get. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, in the clouds. Good morning. How you doing? Listening while working. Well, ain't nothing wrong with that, young lady, or guy, or man, or boy, or kid, whichever you may be. I can't remember. Anyway. Sharon, Paint Chips has picked up where BBB left off. Yes, ma'am. I agree with you. I agree with you, Sharon. I sure do. Because BBB's been MIA for a long time. I guess he's got a lot of stuff at home he's got to be worrying about. Oh, Papa Jim, good morning. Scroll on up. Oh, you should never send emails to the judge prior or send them to chambers. The clerk is who you send to. Right on, Tammy. Right on. Oh, Paint Chips was kicked or was kind of pissed off at the judge. Just threw it all away and never read it after his people told him don't read it. Yeah, exactly. Well, see, we all know Paint Chips, he loves his own work. He loves to relish in the stuff that he writes and the stuff that he puts through the courts. He loves it. He's so full of himself. He can't get on a panel fast enough to talk about the garbage that he files with the courts. All right, let's get caught up and see what everybody's got to say. Linda, good morning. How you doing? Good morning. All right, who else we got in here? There's Miss Tammy, Bridget, Marianne Fields. Okay, all right. Well, let's get back to this. Oh, number 3. I think I read that, but we'll start. I don't think I did. Number 3, lack of evidence record. The motion claims the court referenced communication it admitted it did not read. Okay, well, how does he know if the judge read it or not? Still use the communications to justify its ruling. All right, okay. This is described as unfair and lacking a proper factual basis. Okay. Oh, I'm glad I didn't read this damn thing now. This guy's a nutbag. Number 4, legal standards cited. The motion relies on rules and case law requiring clear and specific injunctions, proper protocol or procedural safeguards before issuing them. Okay. Examples cited include federal law and Supreme Court cases. Okay. Cool beans. Oh, what the defendant wants. We all know what he wants. He wants to clog up the court with a bunch of nonsense. The court to recognize and likely reverse or modify its prior order. I don't think that's going to happen. Restore proper legal process before imposing sanctions or restrictions. Oh, that's right. The judge did say that if it kept on going, he would be talking about contempt and sanctions and all that good stuff. Huh. Yeah, I do remember reading that. Okay. Overall tone, strongly critical of the prior order, frames the situation as procedurally unfair and legally improper. And yeah, guys, I use ChatGPT to get a summary for this. Okay, so that's it. That's all she wrote. We will be reading this one, P.O, in just a few minutes. That summary, this is the judge's order on that summary. So, or that motion that the summary of the motion we just went over. So we will be going over this in just a few minutes. So let's have some fun with the chat and talk about what we just learned. All right. James, good morning. CT Bar is brought charges of practicing law without a license in Florida against BPM. Bruce Manskin. I think that's who you're talking about, James. All right. Oh, it's James. It was over in Rumble. Okay, I got you, James. I got you, my friend. All right. Where is it? Where did it go? Can we hit the like button, please? DR says yes. For all the new people that just joined us, please hit the like button. Teach old ScrewTube to send us out into the interwebs. Big Al, what you got to say? It would have been nice if the judge would have read Pink Chips as crap. Then he would know what was going on. Right, Big Al? All right. Now that's Nancy, or is that's Nanny? What else we got here? Big L, I am so excited for it to happen. And he gets booted from practicing law. That would be awesome. I mean, does he really practice law, guys? I mean, compared to what we've seen this throughout this whole thing, is Bubbles really participating in practicing law? Or is he just some kind of grifter conning people and trying to claim himself as a lawyer? Yeah, he's got a law license, but man, some of the drivel that we see this guy, put in his motions, is he really a lawyer? Does he really understand what he's doing? I do know that when it comes to law, that everybody specializes in different aspects of the law. Like you got Larry, the DUI guy. He specializes in certain aspects of the law, DUI stuff being mainly one of the things he mainly goes over. Then you've got people that specialize in family law, in tax law, in all kinds of different areas of the law. I don't think Bubbles is used to this kind of law because, from what I understand, his main practice revolved around what is that? Jobs. Oh my goodness, representing companies in some field. I don't think it had ever had anything to do with what he's doing or what he's been doing for Lynette and them. I know what it is, guys. I just can't remember it right now. But yeah, I don't know. It's kind of crazy. Oh, if the judge had read Paint Chip's emails, he probably would have thrown the case out in Fed 2. Yeah, probably. I wouldn't doubt it, Big Al. Oh, Sharon, what you got to say? Paint Chips and LMOP are still on Fed case or Fed 2 case. Yep, they sure are. Yep. Matter of fact, if I'm not mistaken, Paint Chips is too. No, matter of fact, I think it's Lynette and Paint Chips are the two that are left on Fed 2, Sharon. Yeah, I think I'm right on that. I think it's everybody was supposedly dismissed, and Lynette and Paint Chips are the two that are left on there. They haven't been dismissed yet. Either way, he is officially screwed, James says. Right? Oh, the judge's order is a little bit written different than what it was, but he was spot on, Big Al says. All right. Susie, are there any birthdays in chat today? Yes. Are there any birthdays today? Yeah. Rogue Mama, mine is next week, she says. Well, I'm going to hit you up a day. I'm going to hit you up a week early or however many days early. And then when it is your birthday, you come on back in here and get some more.
Happy birthday to you. You're older. Woo-hoo. You might need more candles than your cake can handle. Let's say happy birthday to you.
All right. Happy birthday for when it hits their Rogue Mama. Bridget, Miss Susie, not my birthday, but it's my anniversary with hubby. Today makes 20 years that we have been together. Oh my goodness, Bridget, that's a long time. Congratulations. Oh man, Mama Coop and I think we're hitting our 21st anniversary this year. It might be 21st or 22nd. I can't remember. Forgive me. I'm getting old. But congratulations, Bridget. Congratulations. Oh, Bubbles practice is something I don't know for sure if you could call it law. Right, Big Al? I got you, my man. I got you. All right. Jin Thunder, good morning. How you doing, girly girl? Tammy, BBB has not really wanted to be a lawyer, I do not think. From what I understand, Tammy, whatever the law he was practicing, it had something to do with that basketball team over in whatever country that was, wherever they said he ran off to. I can't remember it at this point in time. But anyway, it's kind of funny that the lawyer that he teamed up with up there in Massachusetts or Connecticut, supposedly his law firm or lawyer or his buddy that they were teamed up with to sue people. if I remember correctly, Bubbles was trying to practice law without actually practicing law. He wanted to do everything from the safety of his home, but he didn't want to actually put in the work and go in and do the job. But yet he wanted to be paid for it, because I know the partner that he had, the two of them were suing each other at one point in time. I don't know the outcome of that. I don't know if it ever got settled. I really don't pay attention to Bubbles that much on things outside of the Jeremy Hill stuff. But from what I gather, it's just like with Lynette. He was all about representing her from afar. He didn't want to have anything to do with her up close and personal. He stayed in his state. I think he only came to Florida once, and that was for the deposition that the judge called them all in front of him to finish out the deposition. And we all knew he did not show up for the sanctions hearing. All right. All right. Okay. BBB. James says BBB is an expert on employment law. There you go. There you go. You got it, James. I got you, my friend. Thank you for clearing that up. I just could not remember. No, I could not. All right. All right. Who else we got in here? Bridget. Nice, Jen. Waiting for my tax refund to get us a new set. All right. The law is here. Far worse. Or the law here. The law is here far worse than over there. Love from the Netherlands. Well, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am not even going to try and pronounce your name. It just, whoa. Thirza. Anyway, welcome aboard, girly girl. Welcome aboard. And yeah, you're right. You're right. You're absolutely right. Where was that? He was at it somewhere over in Russia, I think. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, Taz, what you got? Oh, Taz showed up. Good morning. Good morning. Who else did we just hit? I just see come in. MrCoop BBB, aka Bubbles Loss, was personal injury, ambulance chaser, and labor law. Okay, cool beans. Thank you, Al. And thank you to the lady, I can't pronounce her name, or guy, whichever they may be. Thank you. Thank you for James and all you guys telling me about that. I appreciate it. Jen, bragging about new washer and dryer. Congrats, Jen. Bring my dirty laundry over later today, Susie says. Well, you guys do that. You're more than welcome, Susie, Jen Thunder says. All right, let's get up here. Okay, here comes Tammy. What you got to say, Tammy? Remember, Fed 2 has not been dismissed yet. We do not know how Randy and JH will proceed yet. Exactly. Exactly. Now, see, you got Lisa and all them over there. You know, they're jumping up and down for joy, having a good time, thinking this is all said and done. It may be. I don't know. I don't know what Jeremy and Randy have planned. That's up to those guys. But we will find out. We will find out eventually. What you got to say, Sharon? That is what I said. Paint chips and elemental P have not been removed. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm sorry, Sharon. I thought you said crook. Okay. Thank you for clearing that up for me, young lady. I'm sorry. Oh, Chris, what you got to say? Hello, Coop. I have one baby Iceland sheep. Oh, wow. And 2 baby goats, all bottle babies right now. Wow. Wow. You feeding the baby goats. Wow. That's awesome, Chris. That's awesome. Let's see. Brenda. Hi, everyone. Brenda says, hi, Brenda. Good morning. Good morning. Alrighty. Let's see who else we got here. Badger John, my 2000 Jimmy turned 120,000. Does that count as a birthday? Well, by golly, we can make it a birthday. Here we go.
Happy birthday to you. You're older. Woo-hoo. You might need more candles than your cake can handle. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, Sharon said Romania. Romania. Oh, that's right. I had that all messed up and bunfuggled there for a while, didn't I, guys? Okay, it sucks living in an apartment building. You have to drag everything down to the basement. Oh, that would drive me nuts, guys. When I was younger, stairs didn't bother me, but nowadays I think stairs would be a pain to get up and down. Chris, they are but a lot of work. All right. Talking about the babies. All right. Oh, I can imagine. Mama, we were breeding beagles for a little while back years ago. And I think there was a couple times Mama had to bottle feed a couple of them. Or it might have been some cats. I can't remember. But yeah, she was I do know she was taking chickens to work with her. She took a chicken to work with her for about a week because it had what they called weary neck. And it's because it didn't have enough vitamin E in its system. So she had to feed it with the vitamin E stuff so many times a day. And that chicken survived, and it's one of our best chickens. All the people at all of the tax stores always told me that they just dispatched chickens that came down with that. Mama, in her soft heart, she could not do it. So she would figure out what was needed to be done, and then she would do it to try and not have to dispatch the chicken. And since we've been raising chickens, she's had two. She's had Ugly was one of them, which is just a sweet Rhode Island. And then we had a rooster that we do not have anymore. He went to a good family. He had it. And she did the same thing with him. And he grew out of it. And next thing you know, he was a beautiful rooster. He was solid white. He was just absolutely gorgeous. But he is a family pet for an older man and woman and their grandbabies. MrCoop, yes, Bubbles is being sued by his law partner. The case is still active in federal court system. Cool beans. Thank you, Al, for letting us know, my friend. So for all of the new people that just showed up, please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. Teach old ScrewTube a lesson. Tammy, what you got to say? BBB wants to only do court without appearing in court. I think BBB was doing workman's comp or something like that, right, Tammy? Right? I knew it had to do with something with that stuff. Business law or something like that. All right, let me get caught up here, guys. Let me get caught up. Make sure I'm not missing anything. All right. Oh, Southeastern Europe, Romania, Sharon says. All right. Hi from Vancouver Island, Canada. Good morning, Lynn. How you doing? Good morning. All right. Sticky widget. That's a lot of candles. Right, Sticky? Right. See, I'm getting caught up, guys. So I imagine Sticky was talking about the birthday song for the truck that hit 120,000 miles. All right, let's go. Let's get caught up some more. Nancy's talking to Susie, or Nanny's talking to Susie. Fred Psycho, good morning. I don't see you, but there you are. Good morning. How are you all the way from France? How you doing? Chucky! Oh, did you call your male stud Belgian Zenus Coop? No. That white chicken was, I guess you're talking about the chicken. That white chicken, he was a comet. He was a cross between a Rhode Island and a Longhorn. Longhorn. Yeah. He was a gorgeous rooster, but we couldn't have two roosters messing with the two hens because they tear them up. One rooster is fine. Two roosters on that small of a flock, and they really tear them girls up. So he had to go bye-bye. All right, let's see. I have handicap ramps because of my two artificial knees, and arthritis. Oh, wow. I'm sorry to hear that, Sharon. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing all right. Okay, still talking to Susie. Let's see. Wife and I were together for 34 years before she passed. Well, condolences, Ed. Condolences, my friend. 34 years is a long time. I'm glad you got to spend that amount of time with her. I sure am. I sure am. All right. What else we got? Let's get caught up again. Big Al is in the no-no about everything WTH related. Good job, brother. Yeah. We have a lot of people in here that know a lot about this stuff. I mean, I've been covering this stuff for over a year now, and I forget. There are so many facets of all of this that it is hard to stay up with every single little thing that's going on out there with this case. It's just so much of it to remember. And man, I depend on you guys a lot to fill in the blanks because I forget a lot of this stuff. Also in federal court in Florida with felons from bar, right? Right? Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. Jeremy still still has a court case against Bubbles and Lynette for the emails where he was trying to interfere with the courts in Levy County. Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm saying. He's got his hands in a lot of fires, guys. A lot of fires. I don't see how he does it. I do not see how he does it. My four sons, good morning. How you doing? Hello, everyone. Driving and listening. Good deal. Good deal. Glad to have you. Glad to have you. Bubbles and Paint Chips tried to get a mistrial declared. Yes, they tried. They tried, Jerry. They really did. Oh, but I will tell you this. If Jeremy and Randy do not decide to refile this third amended complaint, it has been dropped without prejudice. So that means that they can refile if they want to. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. All right. Oh, shoot. That thing blurted up there quick. Let's go back and see who said that. Good morning, Denise. How you doing? How you doing, girly girl? All right. All right. All right. We got all these new people popping in. We got the judge's order on the screen. We're going to go over here in a few minutes. And this is the judge's order for the motion that Bubbles filed a couple of days ago. And we will be going over that for all the new people that popped in that don't know what's up on the screen. That is what we will be talking about. Oh, MQSSSSSS, French Psycho. It's that little theme song playing in my head whenever I see you in the chat. All right. Johnny D, good morning, my friend. Good morning. Glad you showed up. Glad you showed up. All right. Good morning. Oh, there's Momo. When in August? I don't know what's going on in August, Momo. So you'll have to let me know, sweetheart. 10 years for my son and mama. Oh, for my son, mama. Okay, that's a long time too. Oh, Big Al. They can take everybody on one at a time, even if it's in Ohio court. Now, after the Ohio court hearing. Oh, cool. Cool beans, Big Al. Cool beans. All right. Let's get to going over this motion. We're about an hour in. Let me fill my gullet with some sweet tea here, and then we'll get on with the show. Oh, what you got to say, Chucky? Oh, right there. According to the flea, come back here. According to the flea, I laughed my ass off because Hinkle accepted the magistrate's recommendation. It means that this case is dismissed with prejudice. No, it don't. No, it don't. Thank you, Chucky, for putting that up there. That's you hit it, buddy. I think she's insane. She's insane. She don't know what she's talking about. Head judge. It said nothing in the head judge's dismissal that it was with prejudice. Nothing. All right. All right. All right. I'm here. I have my favorites. Good morning, young lady. I guess Rosalind might be over by now. I'm not sure. Anyway, I think Rosalind's over by now. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, yeah, Rosalind and Jay did some Laura Owen stuff today. So I hope a lot of you guys got to see that. It's always a pleasure watching Rosalind. She always cracks me up. Oh, I'm here and I'm doing crafts and listening. Well, welcome, welcome. I have my favorites. Glad to have you, girly girl. All right, something to bark about. Good morning. Hey, MrCoop in chat. Hey to you too, girly girl. Man, every time I watch something to bark about's live stream, she got them 5 little babies sitting there sleeping in that little pet bed, and they are just so adorable. I don't typically care for chihuahuas, but those little rascals are just the cutest things that you'll ever see. They are something else. Yes, they are. All right. Yep, Mercedes still in here. Tammy P, hi faves, she says. Oh, come back here. You scrolled on me all at one time. Oh, where'd we go? Where'd we go? Where'd we go? Hey, MrCoop in chat. Something to bark about. Okay, I got you. STBA, good morning. Something to bark about. Okay, that's Susie using abbreviations. All right, all right. Chucky Hinkle has not yet released his final order. So that is still up in the clouds, in my opinion. Right on, right on. Right on, Chucky. Well, see, they love to jump to conclusions before things are actually finalized. But hey, that's just the bravado of their stuff over there. That's what they like to do. So more power to them. More power to them. All righty. Who else we got in here now? Hi, everyone. Can't type. So sorry. That's all right, Faves. As long as you're listening, we know you're out there. It's all right, girly girl. All righty, all righty. That's what I thought. Chucky Fed 2 has not been dismissed. I don't think it has. I've heard him say that certain individuals were dismissed, but not the case has not been dismissed. Jeremy and Randy have so many, I think it was 14 days to refile a third amendment complaint if they choose to. Whether they are or not, I don't know. Okay, Sticky Widget. I have chihuahuas. They do not need something to bark about. A giant landing or a gnat landing on the car 3 blocks away is enough. There you go. There you go. Daisy, she barks, but she's about the same way. She barks at anything. Oh, DR, I will get over it. Okay, I don't know what you guys are talking about. Do you think Afro Man win will be helpful to YouTube channels? See, I didn't get to follow that, Sharon. I need to go watch it. I know Tug and Megan, they streamed it. They streamed it at, I think, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, both days. I have not got to watch any of it yet. All I know is that he was being sued by law enforcement for something. I haven't followed it. I need to really watch that to see what's going on. Because, I mean, there's a lot of you guys in the chat with afros right now. But, yeah, Afro Man, back when he came out with his music, there was a lot of his stuff that I did like. And I'm not a huge rap fan, but I did like a lot of his stuff. Matter of fact, I do have a CD around here somewhere of his. Oh, Chihuahuas are the best dog never ever bred. Okay. They work as a door alarm. Yes, they do. If you have a Chihuahua, you do not need a doorbell, right? You don't. They are very possessive and they fit in your pocket, Chucky says. Yeah, my grandmother had one. That's what kind of got me thrown off on Chihuahuas a long time ago. That little thing, he was a holy terror. I was the only person that this dog did not like. And I mean, I would come in and he would be under the couch and I would sit down on the couch and he would come out and nip my damn ankles every time I visited my grandparents. And I don't know why. I never did anything to that dog. All I ever did was try and love the dog, but boy, he didn't like me. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was because I had the smell of my own dogs on me. I don't know. All right, let's go. Let's go. What else we got here? All right, guys, I think I'm going to jump right into this motion from the judge, and then we'll catch back up with you guys. Angie, good morning. Love your comment. Oh, hi, Mr. Coop. Love your comments on what the hell's jeeping on with what the hell's life. Thank you so much. Thank you, Angie. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. I'll get the chat caught up, and then I'm going to twist on over here, and I'm going to start reading this puppy. What you guys say? Now, like I said earlier, this is the order denying paint chips motion he filed. All right. Order denying the motion to reconsider the injunction not to send emails to the judge. Okay. All right. Defendant Richard A. Luthman Jr. asserts a right to send emails to me. Okay. And the magistrate judge in in violation of the court's longstanding prohibition of the practice. He says he should be allowed to do this because attorneys can file materials on the docket electronically, while as pro se party, he can't file materials on the docket, only by mail, which takes longer. Okay, it takes longer. So what? You just put the motion in the mail. When it shows up, they put it on the docket. This is an assertion, in effect, that Mr. Luthman should be able to bypass the requirement for formal filing and materials with the clerk's office, and instead require the magistrate judge and me to maintain our own independent files into which Mr. Luthman can submit materials, apparently including materials that are neither motions nor responses to motions and could not properly be filed on the docket itself. Well, that's just it, guys. He wants to play the game with this email stuff because he wants to try the case through his emails. Okay, he wants to harass the courts with garbage right now. He doesn't want to have to wait for when he sends it in the mail. He wants the judge to listen to him right now. Okay, well, that's not how it works. Okay, that's not how it works at all. So this guy, he's a trip. Oh, this would impose an enormous, unwarranted burden. The clerk's office exists to maintain the files. There you go. Plain and simple. A judge who attempted to maintain a separate docket would soon have time to do nothing else. Does this all make sense to you guys? Makes perfectly good sense to me. I can understand where the judge is coming from. It is rarely necessary for a litigant to bring something to the judge's attention immediately. If Mr. Luthman thinks he needs to be able to do that, he can hire an attorney. Now, isn't Bubbles a disgraced attorney? Hasn't he had his law license revoked? So supposedly he knows the law. I find it funny. He claims to know all of this stuff about the law, but yet then turns around and files paperwork with the court stating that he's not a lawyer and he's not suited for understanding what's going on. But yet, it's funny. It's like one side of his mouth, he's a lawyer. The next other side of his mouth, he's not. Make up your mind. Either you are or you aren't, big boy. Or he can make any filing deemed urgent by hard copy delivered to the clerk's office. Yeah, the judge is right. It's common sense. That is less convenient. But most materials are not urgent. Filing them by mail ordinarily makes no difference. in any event, whether pro se litigants should be allowed to file materials electronically is important issue currently under study. Oh, so they're trying to get where pro se litigants can file electronically. Okay, I can see that. I can see that. Oh, in the meantime, Mr. Luthman will have to follow the rules that apply to all pro se litigants. It is ordered the motion ECF number 177 to reconsider the injunction prohibiting sending a copy of any letter or email to me or the assigned magistrate judge or to our chambers, except when directly relevant to the pending motion, and then only as an attachment to the motion or a response filed on the docket is, what's that say right there, guys? Denied. Denied. So ordered on March 17th, 2026 by Robert L. Hinkle, United States District Judge. Wow. Wow. Judge done said, sit down, shut up. Yes, he did. He done told homie like it's denied.
Denied.
All right, boys and girls. Let me tell you, we're having some fun now. Yeah. So anyway, this is what the judge had to say to Bubbles' 24-page pile of doo-doo. Okay, basically, sit down, shut up, obey the rules, or be gone. It's that simple. Oh, what you got to say, Sharon? Oh, Jenny, prison guys use peanut butter. Jesus Christ. I didn't want to know that. Peanut butter. Oh, Crystal, what you got to say? Each paperwork a lawyer makes in a case or filing has a price tag to it, don't they? Yeah, well, in all of these guys' cases, they're not paying for anything. Jeremy's the only one paying for anything right now. Every motion that Bubbles or Lisa or anybody files, Randy has to read and respond to that motion. Therefore, Jeremy gets charged for it. These guys, they're doing all of this stuff pro se, and they're filing their own crap. None of them have lawyers. I think two of them, MLS and Bubbles, are the only two that have lawyers. MLS, I don't know if he was paying his lawyer or not. Bubbles, I don't know if he's paying his lawyer or not, but we do know that Bubbles likes to run his own lawyers, meaning he'll hire a lawyer, but he wants to be the one filing the motions. So I don't know how that worked out, but all the other chuckleheads, none of them have lawyers. Okay. So what cost is it costing them? Nothing. What, a few stamps on an envelope to send it through the email? But yeah, it's just Bubble creating more chaos. That's all it is. Oh, Paint Chips put the location in the puts the lotion in the basket. Oh my goodness. Oh, some of you guys got jokes again today, don't you? Oh, no offense taken. My favorite dog is my dog. Oh, okay, cool beans. I think they're cute. I'm just paranoid of them. I'm just real paranoid of Chihuahuas. I think they're adorable dogs. I'm scared of them. My son had a great day. I think you said Dane. Her name was Daisy. She was a doll. I think you were talking about you meaning Great Dane, Johnny, because Great Danes are huge. You're talking 150, pounds of dog food a week. I think on them big guys. They're huge. They're absolutely monsters, but they are beautiful dogs. I've never met a mean one though. All right, Jenny. Ooh, Sharon. Oh, you talking to Sharon. I don't know what you guys talking about. So they just don't spit it. Oh my God, you guys getting, Oh, something to bark about. I forgot about the shepherds. Make that 3 breeds. All right. You guys are talking about doggies. There might be a filing fee. I'm not sure. I don't know, Sticky Widget. I don't know if they have to pay a filing fee or not. I really don't know. But I don't think it would be very much if they did have to pay it. Okay, I have not found many dogs. I don't just love breed, size, etc. Something to bark about says just need to go small due to getting older. Right. Well, I always had big dogs. I had Doberman Pinschers, Pit Bulls, and German Shepherds when I was younger. My Doberman Pinschers I had the longest, and those two were absolutely wonderful dogs. Wonderful dogs. They weren't trained as guard dogs. They were trained as pets, and they were just funny and lovable. But Mama, she got me a beagle because I didn't have any dogs at the time. Mama and I, got together. So she bought me a beagle for Christmas, and that was my first small dog. And I've been small dog ever since. It just seems like they're a little bit easier to take care of and handle. Oh, it's like Paint Chips is trying to do it all for free to see what sticks like a spaghetti noodle to a cupboard, right? You're right, Crystal. You're right. He's trying to just shove his weight around is what he's trying to do. Trying to see what he can get away with. That's my opinion anyway. Okay, my rescues dogs. Okay, hello, Harry. Let's see where we at. All defendants except LP and JC need to pay to file, as only LP and JC have indigent status. Now, Chucky, is JC actually got indigent status too? Because if he filed something, I don't remember it. All I remember is LP filing it, but I don't think I ever saw it filed by JC. But that doesn't mean he didn't. So let me know. All right. Sticky Widget. There is a fee for everything. Every damn thing with the government. I ought to know I work in the government. Well, there you go, my brother. There you go. Personally, I don't know about fees. Personally. Because I'm not in a court case, so I haven't had to file anything, and I've never been in a court case where I had to file anything, so I don't know. Okay, let's go. My landlord won't let me have a pit bull. Well, Jen Thunder, I know here in Florida, Florida has cracked down quite a bit on pets. By law, if you have certain breeds that are classified dangerous breeds, they require you to have insurance on those dogs in case they bite somebody. Now, whether they enforce these laws, I don't know. But I do know that when we first moved into our house, the insurance company came out, and that was one of the things they asked us is, did we have dogs? And they handed us a list of dogs that we could have and we couldn't have. Because if we had the bigger dogs, we had to get a different insurance company. But all we had at the time were beagles. So beagles are considered non-aggressive, and we were good to go. Okay, come back here. Buffed old man, Lethman, champion soap on a rope, Wrangler. Oh, this is gross. But can you imagine how many rectal surgeries, oh my goodness, rectal surgeries taxpayers pay for inmates? Oh my goodness, Sharon, you went there, Sharon. Holy cow, I didn't think I'd ever hear you go there, girl. That was funny. Hello, Mr. Coop, here and after. Good morning. Hello, Mr. Coop in chat. Was listening and working. Well, glad to have you, girl. Lynn, I had a black lab and Roddy. Oh yeah. I would love to have a lab or a Rottweiler one of these days. Not for meanness. Okay, the labs, they're good hunting dogs, but the Rottweilers, a lot of people use those for protection. But I see those Rottweilers as big, cuddly teddy bears. I've never been around one. I've only seen them in pictures and videos and stuff, but they just look so adorable, and they always look so fun loving. All right. Hey, Joe. I have a Pomeranian, and she is small. Okay. Cool beans. Cool beans. It would be nice if the chat could post pictures on here, but we can't. So it sucks. Oh, I have to leave for PT now. I'll catch you all this evening, I hope. Good day to you, Johnny D. I hope everything goes well with your PT, my friend. I really do. I really do. Cassandra, what you got to say? White and Black Lab growing up, their names were Kahula and Cream. Oh, wow. Oh, you must have had those, what do they call them? Black Labs? I hear people talk about the chocolate labs, and the chocolate labs I think are beautiful. They're like a brownish color. Yeah. Oh, my daughter, she likes retrievers. Those suckers are very independently crazy, right, Big Al? Now, I've never had a Jack Russell Terrier, but Mama said that her ex-husband had a Jack Russell Terrier. And she said the dog was really sweet, but he was very protective of like him, but he's very hyperactive, very hyperactive. All right. My dog is a mini Scottish Terrier, mini Dalmatian. Oh, that sounds so cool. Oh, there goes somebody riding by. I know Lynette was griping because she had to pay 200 and some dollars filing fees in one of the cases. That's right, Big Al. That was in the the Granger's case. See, where she failed in her argument with that is she filed for indigency in the trespass 5 case. Okay. She thought in her mind that the Granger's case was the trespass 5 case. Well, she never filed in the Granger's case. So she wasn't eligible for indigent status in the Granger's case. So therefore, she's arguing that she had filed and she hadn't, not in that particular case. So that's where her lawyers did a huge disservice to her. Well, that's right. Her lawyer passed away, so she didn't have a lawyer during the Granger's case. So yeah, but she never filed indigent status in the Granger case. So therefore, yeah, she owes the courts $280 some odd dollars. Most definitely. Oh, William, good morning. What you doing there, my friend? Good morning. All right, Mr. McCoop. Hey, and chat. Hi, welcome, buddy. Welcome. You'll have to catch us on replay for the documents we went over today. We went over a summary of Paint Chip's motion that he filed on, I think it was the 16th. And then we went over the judge's order to deny said motion today. It's not a huge filing. If you need it, it's in the Discord. If not, you can watch the replay on it. It's very short. It's nothing to it. Basically, the judge said, sit down, shut up. You've been denied. All right, let's see. What else we got here? Beagles are handsome dogs. Love that breed. Yes, Sharon, I had never had them before, so I didn't know anything about beagles. And come to find out, the beagle she got me, we didn't know it at the time. The breeder that we bought him from saw us about a year later, and when he saw how my dog Petey turned out, he told us flat out, if he would have known that dog would have been rare, he would have never sold him to us. See, my beagle wasn't like a traditional black, tan, and brown, or black, tan, and white beagle. He was red. He was red and white, and he had a red nose. And he was a very sweet dog. But he didn't have short hair. His hair was short, but it was longer than a normal beagle. Now, Mama, I bought her a regular normal beagle that had very short hair, and she was about 1.5 sizes bigger than my dog was. But yeah, they turned out some beautiful puppies. They sure did. My last rescue was 18 years old before she passed. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah, Petey, he passed away on me about 3 or 4 years ago. So did Mama Coco. They passed away about the same time. And then the last offspring of those two that we had was Pretty Girl. She passed away, I do believe, last year. So all we have now is little Daisy. And little Daisy ain't a beagle. She's a little min pin. And boy, she's hyperactive. She's a sweetie. She's a sweetie. Oh, she was super lovable dog too. She was part terrier and part something else. All right. What you got to say? Oh, we had a Basset mixed. He passed away a couple of years ago. Man, everybody's puppies are passing away on them. Man. Go and we have 2 cats. Once they pass, that's it for pets, right? That's what I told Mama. I love the pets, but they keep us chained down to where we can only do so much. We don't have any immediate family around us to where they can watch the pets. And, you know, Mama and I are very picky on who are around our animals. So we don't put them in boarding houses or anything like that. We've just heard too many horror stories. So once our pets are gone, they're gone. The birds, they're pretty easy to take care of. The goldfish, they're easy. Chickens are easy, but you know, dogs, not so much. They have to be taken care of a lot more than like a cat. So yeah. All right. Then Crook needs to pay every filing he does. Indigenous status needs to authorize by the court. Right, Chucky? Right? See, I don't know if he ever filed for indigent status. I don't think he did. I might be wrong. If somebody in the chat knows, let me know. I really don't know if he filed for it or not. I always wondered if Bruce didn't have to pay for filings since he was representing Lynette Pro Se. I don't know. Oh, that's Judy. Good morning, Judy. How you doing? How you doing, girly girl? I don't know. I really don't know. But of course, he had a lawyer. So I imagine the people that have lawyers, the lawyers file it and it's probably billed to their client. I don't know how that works. Here and after, doing a lot better. Oh, good morning, Harry. How you doing? How you doing? Good morning. BBB was converted by LP indigent status, or covered by LP's indigent status. Okay, we got you, Chucky. Thank you for clearing that up, my friend. Thank you. Oh, my neighbor's Basset Hound somehow managed to find me on my front porch every time I'm outside, Crystal says. Right on. Okay, let's go. Well, what do we got here? Cynthia, what you got to say? I grew up with beagles. First dog I got for my son when he was 4 was beagle. Beautiful, loving, but lived in the city. That dog had that beagle voice, right? that howl, that bay. Yeah, they got a beautiful voice and knew how to use it. He let him move to the country. Oh, okay. Let him move to the country, right? They can get loud. They dang sure can get loud. Out of the 3 beagles we had, the loudest one was Coco. Petey, he had a very low, whatever you call that, bay. Coco, she had a very loud one. You heard her from a mile away. And then Pretty Girl, hers was kind of in between. But the older they get, the less that they bow or howl or however you want to pronounce it. Here and after. Oh, that's wonderful to hear, Harry. Oh, you guys are talking about something. Okay. No breed is dangerous. Depends on how they are raised. I agree with you there, Mary. I sure do. Pit bulls, when I was growing up in Florida, pit bulls had a very bad reputation. Because what a lot of these people would do, they would inbreed these pit bulls, and when they would inbreed uh, the pit bull would grow, but their skull wouldn't grow as fast as what their brain would, and it would basically drive them insane. And the reason why they did this is because they fought them in Florida. And I always thought that was the most ridiculous thing in the world, is to train dogs to hurt each other. But here nor there, if you get a, what do they call that? A patented breed, I guess you would say, one that doesn't have the inbred in it, they're fine. They're wonderful, loving dogs, just like every other thing else, or every other dog out there. Okay. Oh, what do we got, Big Al? Paint chips is beginning to go back to the big house and be with Bubbles' pet again. Oh, okay. Cool beans, Al. Cool beans. So what you're saying is Paint Chips and Bubbles are getting ready to go to jail. All right. Now, wouldn't that be a hoot if some judge put some of these chuckleheads in jail and they all serve time in the same jail? That would be something else. Cynthia, what you got to say? But we moved to the country a few years after, and first thing we did, take one of his pups. Oh, okay, cool beans. So my son finished growing up with Charlie Beagle, but saw first one since my brother took him. Oh, that's awesome. At least he got to stay in the family. That's awesome. See, that's another thing that drives me up the wall. You take a lot of these people, they get pets, okay, and they're hunkered down with these pets. They're loving on them. And then instead of finding a new place to live that accepts the pet, they'll either put them off on the side of the road, or they'll turn them over to, why can't it, to me, it's just like having a child. Would you give your kid away? Now, I can understand if you have to move somewhere and you have to give it to a family member, but to just throw it out into the wild or turn it over to a humane society, would you move to another house that said you can't have babies and give your baby away? I look at the pets as part of your family. So, and that's awesome. That is absolutely awesome that you were allowed to keep your puppy with your brother. That's cool, Cynthia. That's cool. There's not many people that would do that. Sharon, we live in Lauren, Ohio. I had police officer that was friend and told me they never had any reports of a beagle biting. I have yet to this day ever heard of a beagle biting anyone. Now, if you mess with them when they're trying to eat, they'll probably nip you. But other than that, I've never heard one bite anyone out of anger. Aussie Shepherd Rock. Yeah, those are beautiful dogs too, Buffed. They are too. On my third, they are a shepherd just like collies, but very loyal. I've got a friend of mine out in New Mexico, here in Florida, or here in the United States, and he's got one of those Australian shepherd dogs, and it is just a beautiful dog. Beautiful dog. Oh, what do we got here? My hubby had a Rottie. She was okay with everyone except my mom-in-law. Oh, wow. Even laid on the floor next to the cradle while my son slept in as a baby. Oh, that's awesome. That's cool. Terry, good morning. I have a golden lab crossed with a husky and I can't even pronounce that, mountain dog. I can't even pronounce it, but it sounds like a beautiful dog. Oh, my brother has a Jack Russell and she's crazy. Yeah, Nancy, mama, she had a her ex-husband had a Jack Russell Terrier. Sticky Widget. We used to have I can't even pronounce that one either. Basically a Tasmanian Devil. Oh, okay. Cool. Awesome. Bridget, DR. Okay, you're talking to DR like our cult little doggy, Miyagi. Oh, our cute. Oh, Harry, like our cute little doggy Miyagi, cutest little dog ever. All right, guys and gals, I'm going to put you on pause for a minute with some music playing while I go and turn off my little heater and turn on my air conditioner because it is getting a little toasty in here. So you guys just hold on. I'll be back in just a few minutes. And just like that, I'm back. I am back. All right. Let's get caught up on the chat and see what's going on. Whoa, what it got here? Oh, Susie. Working dog breeds can take a lot of time to keep stimulated, but so rewarding. Rescue a retired greyhound, best dog, only purchase or only procedure we ever had. Right, Susie? Right? Thank you so much, girly girl. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
All right. Sorry, Mr. Coop, didn't mean to derail your show with dogs. So, hey, no. You're good, girl. Something to bark about. You're good. Ain't nobody derailed. We're just having fun today. We're just chit-chatting away, having fun. I have nothing planned other than what I've already read on the screen today. So we're just hanging out, talking with the chat. We can talk about dogs. We can talk about the case. We can talk about whatever you want. Oh, sort of the invitation, I guess, just got started up in Connecticut. Here and after. Oh, you're talking about BBB's case. All right. Cool beans, Big Al. I know Al has been looking into this, the bar complaint stuff on Bubbles. So if we dig up anything, we will make sure and bring that to you guys as soon as we can. Oh, my avatar is my Shipoo, Miss Molly. All right. That's cute. That's cute. All right. Here and after, yes, he is required to answer to 5.5 broken rule of practice without a license, here and after says. Right. Now, I was sent screenshots of the bar complaint on Bubbles. Okay. I think it's been posted on Facebook in quite a few groups. It's just when I pull it up on screen and I have to scroll in, I can't read it. Everything goes fuzzy. So if I can't read it, I can't show you guys what it looks like, because if I can't read it, I know you guys aren't going to be able to read it because it'd just be too fuzzy. You can't see it. Oh, just got home from stomach surgery, Johnny. Oh, wow. And came to the only BS channel, only no BS channel, Mr. Coop, for my update and truth on what I missed the past 3 days. Well, Johnny, I hope that your surgery went fine, my friend. I hope you're doing all right and you're healing up okay. We went over a summary of Paint Chip's motion that he filed, I think on the 16th, I think it was. Don't quote me on that, where he was wanting to complain to the judge about the judge telling him he couldn't send emails anymore. We went over a summary of his motion, and then we went over the motion that the judge ordered. Well, it's not a motion, it's an order that the judge ordered a denial on said motion. Yeah. So yeah, Paint Chips got denied. He sure did. I kind of figured he would. I mean, this guy, he turned in a 24-page motion over complaining about the judge telling him he couldn't email him anymore. So basically whining. Now tell me why he needed to turn in 24 pages of nonsense. And I'll guarantee you, I'll just pull it up. I'll guarantee you that motion was, is this it? Okay, order dismissing. Nope, that's the order dismissing that one. Oh, did I? Yeah, I got it. That's not it. Let's see. That's another dismissal. Motion for yeah, this was on the 16th. It was 77. This is his motion right here. This thing is, well, it's 19 pages. I'm sorry, guys. I thought it was 24. But this is bubbles, or not bubbles. Bam, right here. Motion for reconsideration of Doc 175. And the 175 was the judge's order saying, hey, you guys can't bug us with emails anymore. If you continue, we're going to we're going to hit you with sanctions and stuff. That's what that was. Oh man, my chat is way behind. I better get caught up. Wow. Sorry guys, I missed a lot of your comments while I took a cruise out. Fire Dad, good morning. We have a pug weenie. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Paint Chips just loves to hear himself. You are right, Johnny. You are right. But yeah, this is the motion that he turned in. Motion for recommendation of document 175. But yeah, this is it. It's 19 pages of nonsense. It's him whining, just whining. The judge flat. Why'd I do that? Where'd it go? Share it. No. Oh, I lost it. Let's get it back up here. There we go. Bam. But yeah, judge basically telling him that if he let them continue with the emails, that meant that the judge had to create his own filing system on the case instead of the clerks having it taking care of it in the clerk's office. So he's telling this idiot to file your stuff normally, send it in the mail, file it with the clerks because the clerks have the filing system set up. Judges don't need to set up their own filing system. That's what the clerks are for. All right. Did y'all notice Lisa was trying to act like she didn't know about that document? She finally read it. She knew it was denied. Are you, Harry, are you talking about Paint Chips document 170, whatever this is, 173 or 178? Are you talking about this one that we got I had on the screen a minute ago? Not 178, 177. Yeah, 177. Yeah, come on back here. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. All right. We'll share this and then we'll go back over here. So this is the one I think you're talking about, Harry. The one that Paint Chips filed. Yes. Oh, where are we going? Did they not go back? Then they had the fact that purebred dogs. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay, Harry. Yeah. It's all crazy. It's all crazy. What did I have up here? I can't remember. All right. And that's Rumble Dungeon. All right. And we got here and we got here. Let me go here, and here, and here. And there we go. All right. Working dog breeds can take a lot of time and keep. Oh, did I miss your thing there, Susie? I must have rolled too fast. Let me go find it. I must have went too fast and I scrolled right through it. Chink. There it is. I hope I read this a while ago. Working dog breeds can take a lot of time and keep stimulation, but so rewarding. Rescued and retired greyhound, best dog only procedure we ever had. Cool, our only purebred we ever had. Thank you so much, Susie. I didn't know if I remembered reading that or not.
Thank you, my friend.
All right, now we get back down to here. Having a chocolate lab. Alrighty. Okay, pets alive. Alrighty. All right, Terry, Grand. Oh, we have brother and sister cockapoos. X very energetic. Cool beans, grandma. Grand. Yeah. All right. Where am I at? Let me get caught up again. Chink, 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 chink. Coop, you're right about giving up dogs. Right, Angie? Okay. I don't know. I don't see how anybody can, but hey, it's just me. My oldest cat is 14 years. Oh, 14. And I rescued him last year. His owner passed away. Passed, and they were going to take him to SPCA. I said, no, I will take him. Well, cool. That is awesome. That's absolutely awesome, Terry. It is. All right. Alrighty. What do we got here? Red Rosin, what you got to say? I have 2 rescue chihuahuas. Oh, but unfortunately, they hate each other. But lovable to everybody. Oh, cool beans, Red. Cool beans. That's awesome. Diana, I have 2 chihuahuas. When I had my heart attack, my daughter said she had to rescue the 2 paramedics. Oh, had to rescue 2 paramedics from the puppies? All right. Let me get caught up here, guys. Let's see. What was this as a kid? All right. I got to get caught up on this. I'm getting way behind. All righty. Oh, Johnny, I'll go there after Coop last night's stream. Okay. I don't know what you guys thought. Johnny, yes, if you can, check out Megan from last night after Coop's stream. Okay. I was watching my new show on TV, so I didn't get a chance to watch Tug and Megan last night. So I don't remember what their show was about. I think it was about paint chips. I think it was about the stuff we talked about today. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it was. Man, Mama's running late today. I have my favorites. I used to live down the street from a Greyhound racetrack. I hated that racetrack, or that they raced them. Yeah, I think that if I'm not mistaken, I have my favorites. I think they outlawed dog racing. I know in the state of Florida. You've got a place over in Tampa, close to the Gandy Bridge. It's an old racetrack, an old dog racetrack, and they've converted the parking lot to where every weekend it's the new Wagon Wheel flea market. The Wagon Wheel was the biggest flea market in Florida the whole time I was growing up. And when COVID hit, of course, they shut everything down. Well, then when COVID was over, they came back, but nobody showed up. So they were trying to figure out what they could do, because this place was massive. So they turned it into a farmer's market. And now they're at this parking lot of this big, huge dog track, and they have it's huge. People come out there and they set up their little, whatever they are, gazebo tents, and it's crafts, it's vegetables, it's everything. But yeah, the racetracks, I think they outlawed them in Florida. What happened? Susie, Coop, Megan revealed BBB spanked in court. Oh, okay. Cool beans. Yes, it's near where I used to live as a kid. The racetrack I'm talking about, I have my favorites. Is that what you're talking about? I fell asleep during Meg's stream, Jen Sunder says. Oh, so you didn't get to finish. Well, you can go back on replay, Jen. You sure can. All right, we got made BBB document on stream. Megan got the BBB documents while on stream. Oh, so that's the screenshots that came in. I wonder if she got the real document. I'm not sure. Oh, yes, they did, Coop. The dog track here is gone, Sarasota Beach Bum says. All righty. Cool beans. All right, boys and girls. I think I'm going to call it a day. I am tired and I've got to go take care of some stuff before mama gets home because we have to run to an appointment. And yeah, so I thank each and every one of you guys for coming and hanging out with me today. It truly means a lot to me. You guys know we're running Monday through Friday from 11 to 1 Eastern Standard Time. Tomorrow is Friday. Can't wait. Can't wait. Don't know what I have planned yet, but I'm sure it'll be something exciting, I hope. Thank you, everyone, for hanging out with me. Thank you, everyone that sent super chats and memberships. It's greatly appreciated. And with that being said, Coop's pretty much going to say Coop out.